Hi everyone, I'm David Kuklinski, Applications Manager here at Neutrik USA, and I'm here to show you how easy it is to clean the DRAGONFLY camera connector. For demonstration purposes, we have a media clip that's being converted from HDMI to fiber, going through the heart of the DRAGONFLY system, the XB2 modules. These XB2 modules are what you would find in the camera connector ends, as well as what you would plug in the back of our chassis connector. And again, the fiber is being converted to LCs, decoded, and then sent back to our monitor. So if I unplug the XB2 module here, and we have some dust particles that I will contaminate the XB2 module pretty heavily. If I plug that right back in now into our signal chain, it would not pass the signal. But to clean the camera connector, just a little canned air is all you need. I'll plug that back in, and the signal chain will take a little bit to sync back up, but you see how easy it is to clean the camera connector. If there's a lot of contamination, you may need to spray a little bit of water to loosen the particles. Again, canned air. The advantage is you don't need isopropyl alcohol or cleaning swabs or an expensive test scope to see if you cleaned it properly, and you certainly avoid the possibility of scratching your fiber ferrule. That's all the advantage of cleaning a DRAGONFLY camera connector. So you can see our signal's back up and running, and you're good to go. So thanks for stopping in to check out how easy it is to clean a DRAGONFLY camera connector.